Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting problem. As you can see the question, sector of a circle is given, the center of the circle is A. Two lines are given with measurements. We have to find out the radius of the circle. First, let's understand the question. So there is a sector with center A and radius AB. And this sector is 1/4 part of the circle from which it belongs. These are few lines which are given with measurements, and as shown in the question, these lines are perpendicular on one another. As we can understand that as per the given information, without completing any figure, we cannot find out any information about the radius of the circle. Here we have to complete two rectangles in order to find out the radius of the circle. Because it is given that these lines are perpendicular on one another, that means if we complete these figures, then we will get the rectangle. So for that we will produce two lines so that we can get the rectangle. First, let's produce the line TO and one rectangle is completed. And in order to complete the another one, we will drop a perpendicular from P to the line AB. Here you have to notice that if you consider PB as the line, then kindly notice then PB cannot be a straight line. It is an arc. That is why we need to drop a perpendicular from P to AB in order to get a line to complete the another rectangle. So first rectangle we got is ACTD. The length we produced, that is OC, we will consider it as X. Now if we drop a perpendicular from P to AB, it will also be equal to X. Why? Because PQ will be parallel to OF. That is how we got two rectangles AHPQ and ETFA. Now if you see the rectangle ETFA, in this AT will be the diagonal but also the radius of the circle. Similarly, for rectangle HAQP, AP will be the diagonal of the rectangle, also the radius of the circle. That means AT will be equal to AP because both are radius of the same circle. So if by calculation we find out AT and AP, then we can equate these two being the radius of the circle. Now in rectangle TEAF, diagonal AT square will be equal to TF square plus AF square. Here TF is equal to 16 plus X and AF is equal to 9. Similarly in rectangle HPQA, AP square is equal to PQ square plus HP square, where HP is equal to 9 plus 12, that is 21, and PQ is equal to X. Then we can put these two values of TA square and PA square equal to each other, and then we can evaluate it for X. Now let's do it mathematically, whatever we have discussed. Diagonals AT square is equal to AP square, which is actually equal to R square, where R is the radius of circle. Taking the values of ET, EA according to the figure as we have discussed already. ET is 9, EA is 16 plus X. Simply solving and we got X is equal to 3.25. Now because AT square is equal to R square and AT square, which is the diagonal, is equal to TF square plus AF square, putting the values of TF and AF and solving simply, we got r square is equal to 451.56, and taking a square root, then we will get the value of r, that is 21.25. Simply by producing two lines, we can evaluate the radius r. This is the easiest method I could think of. If you find some other interesting method, then kindly share. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.